back to my channel. Today you're going to be watching me retwist my locks. It's been a while and I wanted to do a nice good retwist that's going to hold for a while, because it's been a while since I did one that wasn't like a little soft type retwist. Okay, washed my hair. Ooh, y'all, my head be so heavy. Okay, so as always, I always split my hair up into I always put my hair into like 4 different parts. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see the back, so you can see my progress. My hair, here it is. See? I don't know if I'm gonna use my clamps this time, because now my locks are getting to the point where I can kind of do a retwist without my clamps. So we finna see, y'all. I'm gonna start at the back first, because I always start at the back anyway. So see how I'm finna do these. I'm gonna do these first. I have to. Oh, we're gonna do this one first. Oh, the stuff that I'm using is called the purple stuff. It's made by Kilatic. She is a loctician out of Houston. Yeah, she got a shop in Houston. And I'm gonna post her like social media and stuff down below. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this on my own. So, and it really does smell like lavender. I like the smell. So, yeah. All right. I still gotta get a crochet needle to put that in there. I ain't did it yet. Don't judge me. Please don't judge me. Can y'all see it right here? Did y'all see that? I hope so. I hope so. I really need to working my way through this last section. Well, first section. I'm so glad I'm at that point in my lock journey now where I don't have to what's the word, separate my locks as much. I still have to separate them, but now I can get done with a retwist so much sooner. Like, it used to take me so long. And then another thing is too, I learned my lock, I learned my head. I know what it is, and I know what it is, and I know what it ain't. Let me put my parts up now. I know where everything goes for the most part. But yeah, I'm so glad, because it used to take me so long, y'all. And then separate my roots. Oh my god! Like, in the beginning of my lock journey, it was so crazy. I used to have to separate my roots so much. Oh, I really don't need my clamps no more. Not really. I'm still gonna end up using at least one. Y'all, I'm so in the habit of using them. I'm gonna use at least one on that one, especially if, you know, it's just depends. It just depends. Get to this one. I appreciate y'all coming along with me on my lock journey. Like, I really do. All the love and support is definitely appreciated. So, if you have time, you should just, you know, follow my lock page on Instagram at MaverickLocks, MVRCK_locks. If you already follow my personal page, you can follow my lock page too. It's tagged in my bio on my personal page too. And then under all my videos, I got my links to my channel. Follow my Pinterest board too, y'all. It be jumping on my Pinterest board. I post new things on my board almost daily. So, yeah. It's a whole lot of fun on there. I'm about to turn around and let y'all. About to turn around and let y'all see me retwist this one. Put some of the back. in. And another thing I started doing, like at the end of my new growth, put a little bit of the Locs gel right there. Just a little bit more for a little bit of holding factor, you know, just to hold it. And back to clamp those three together. Okay, girl. Getting somewhere. Look at it. Check out your girl. Check me out. Check me out. Boom. Back lift complete. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do this front section right here so I can just completely close it out this left side. These are pretty separated. The ones on the front are usually pretty separated really well. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because they a different texture or what, but we finna go ahead and start. Ooh, my locks in the front have gotten so thick. Y'all remember my locks used to be so thin in the front. Look now. Look at my boys now. Look at my girls now. Whatever gender they choose to be. But look at them. Look at them. So that's it. I'm finally done. When I actually style my hair, I'm gonna put some pictures in here too because I'm going somewhere later. I'm going to a Kevin Gates concert. So that's the front, the top part, and this is the back. And y'all know after this, it's gonna be about another 2 or 3 months before I even retwist my hair. So it probably will be what, October. Yeah, probably like October when I retwist my hair again. Alright, y'all, so my hair is not completely dry and I'm pushing for time, so I didn't get a chance to really just style like I wanted to, but it's okay because I'm, you know, I'm in a good mood. So I just put my lock jewelry on it. I bought some new lock jewelry from Amazon, y'all. It got the little spikes in there and it has these. It got some little rings too. Like, oh, the big one. I like that one. And it got the little ring. Where is it? I see it, but I can't get it. Hold on. This, it got the little ring. I like those. So I'm gonna turn it to the back so you can see. Okay, it's the back. I didn't put so many I was trying to avoid putting too much lock jewelry on. I wanted to, but last time I left some in, now I want to do that. I'm gonna go through all it. Oh, this lock right here is getting so long. This one is getting so long. I feel it on my back, like y'all. Feeling the growth. It takes a long time for my hair to dry because my hair holds water so much. Like, it's a good thing though because when I moisturize, I usually don't have any issues, you know. So there you go. And this side. Y'all remember when my locks were like up here and well, some of them still. But y'all remember my locks weren't even touching my shoulders? It was like by my ear. If you was here in the beginning, you remember that first 6 months or however long it was. Okay, that's it. I'm still gonna put some more pictures in here though once I take some. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap that notification bell so you know every time me, your girl, uploads a new video. And if y'all want me to start like going live and having suggestions on videos that you want me to do, just drop them down below. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Alright, y'all. I'm holla.